These are the birds: a green heron, a West Indian whistling duck, a snowy egret, which I've seen here, and a lesser yellowlegs. This is known as hell, Grand Cayman Islands. Look at this. It says, what is a hell rock? Hell is a group of short black stone formations estimated between 10 and 15 million years old. The area is roughly the size of half a soccer field, 50 yards. Made up of a bed of limestone and dolomite rock, it underwent extreme bioerosion by algae, a process called phytocastification. Phyto meaning plant and karst meaning eroded from, consisting and formation of holes and pockets. Limestone is a sedimentary rock composed largely of the minerals calcite and aragonite. These rocks are razor sharp and can cause serious injury. Similar to limestone is dolomite, which is made up of the same constituents of limestone, but also contains magnesium. Dolomite is composed the same way as limestone and often forms along with it. Through the passage of time, thousands to millions of years, the ocean waters grew shallower, exposing the limestone and dolomite. As this formation sits in shallow water, it's covered with tiny sea organisms, better known as algae, which eat away at the limestone or dolomite and remove only the calcium. By the removal of the calcium, the formation is more dolomite than limestone, forming dagger-like peaks and ridges. There's a lot of trash, a lot of plastic on this beach in Cayman Islands. A lot of single flip-flops. Too bad. This is so beautiful.
A lot of places in the world, like Israel and Adelaide, Australia, they make up their problem with the salt brine going into the water. But when it's returned, the salt brine.
I'm not so sure, because I know from it they use it to desal. You can get Cayman sea salt as well in the stores.
Those are the holding tanks for the desal water.
These for desal water, yeah.
And is it private or government?
This one is private, but the other three is run by the government.
So people pay for the water.
Yeah, they will hook you up to whichever company, and you'll get hooked up from there. Like along 7 Mile Beach into West Bay, they hook up to this one. So they will, connect the water to your property and then run through a meter. So they read the meter every month, and they send you a bill.
So we are way out the east end of the island. Is there
really suck it up good, so they have to scoop it out, pour it in there, then she's going to slide those trays under using the foot pedal to bring the batter in. Put them back on a wrap, and then he wheels them down to the far right oven. So we've already taken out a batch is sitting in there to cool. So when these go in, they'll go in for 45 minutes. So once they're done, we're going to bring them here. So once we have them here, then we add the magic, if you know what I mean when I say magic, right? It's in that pot. Oh, not a secret, not a recipe. I'm just going to tell you what type of magic it is. Yeah. So it is a Tortuga 5-year-old rum, and we use the same rum in all of our cakes. But we do cook off a big percentage, so that it's safe for everybody to eat, even kids. So from 40%, that thing goes to 2. And half a cup in each cake goes a long way, because in the next room we vacuum seal. So our cakes last for 12 months. Not like anybody's going to keep it that long. So that alcohol goes a long way. But you know the saying, right? You can't take the rum from the cake, but you can add your rum and have your cake and eat it too. So when you have your sample and your rum in one hand, you can pour it, dip it, whatever. So we still give you that option of having a little extra kick to it. And now once they stay in there, The ladies are gonna wait till later in the afternoon when they're cool, because we can't seal them until they reach that temperature. Hot cakes will sweat, and that's not good. So they go in to seal them, and then they go into the cake room, because we supply the whole 3 islands, every local establishment, and this is the only one bakery. So we bake Monday through Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're on holiday. So this whole little section is quite new. We opened this up 2 years ago. It was in honor of the gentleman in the photograph. He's a late owner, late founder, Mr. Walker.